Good morning children. Today we are going to discuss about the shape of the liquid changes according to the space available in the container. So and also gas occupy the shape of the container. So with the help of the activities. Okay. And also effect of heat on matter. So with the help of the simple experiment. Okay. So all these things we discussed here in this class. Before going to discuss, so all these things just we recall what we discussed in last class. Okay. So in last class we discussed about the size and shape of the solids in any place do not say change. So and also liquid takes the shape of the its container but does not changes in size. So gas spread over the entire space of the container and its volume changes. And also so we discuss about the air as mass with the help of the activity. Okay. So here drop the 3 marbles into beaker containing water. So now water spills out. So then what is the reason behind this? The mass of the marble is greater than that of the water, and also here marbles does not combine with water. Okay, that's why the water spills out. So take another beaker of same size completely filled with water. Add some sugar powder of equal to weight of the 3 marbles. So did you find the any difference in the water level? So there is no change in the water level because since sugar particles have combined with water particles. Okay. So here the level of water does not changes because sugar particles combined with water particles. Here since sugar particles have combined with water particles, that's why water does not spills out. Okay. Yeah. So place a marble on a table, plate, beaker and so on. So did you find any difference in the shape and size of it? Here marble is a solid substance. Okay. So that plays on a different surfaces. Okay. So we have concluded that the shape and size of solids in any place do not change. The shape and size of the solid substance in any place does not changes. Okay. And also pour a another activity, pour a water into beaker, plate, polythene bag, etc. So do you find any difference in its shape? Okay. So when you are pour water into a beaker, so did you find the any difference in its shape? So here water is a liquid, that's why liquid takes the shape of its container but does not changes in size. Okay. Here liquid takes the shape of its container but does not change in size. Suppose example, so we take 2 ml of water and pour into a beaker. So then the water takes the shape of the beaker but does not change in size. So 2 ml as it is. Okay. So and another activity, light an incense stick and allow its smoke to spread inside a jar. So what is the shape of smoke now? So here gas spread over the entire space of the container. Okay. Here gas spread over the entire space of the container. That's where here smoke takes shape of its container, shape of the jar, but its volume should be changes. Okay. And also we discussed already, so air as mass. So take a one balloon, take a one balloon and blow air into the balloon and so tie its one end of the rod. So and another balloon as it is empty and tie its another end. So then the balloon blow into the air, the balloon comes down. So whereas empty balloon goes up. So from this activity we have learned about the air is filled in comes down, air filled balloon comes down, whereas empty balloon goes upper side. So from this activity we learned about the air as mass or air as weight. Okay. Next also another activity is there. So observe the pictures given below. So do this activity with the help of your friends or teachers. So okay, place a glass beaker filled with water on a surface. Okay, and observe. So you should take a beaker and fill it with water and place a plane surface, that means equal surface, and observe. So next take another beaker, So place a beaker filled with water in a slant position and observe. Okay, you should keep your water containing a beaker in a slant position and observe. Okay, what would happen? So here the shape of the liquid, here water is a liquid, that's why the shape of the water changes according to the space available in the container. So okay, so how the space that are available in container, the liquid should be as like that. Okay, I think very clear. The shape of the liquid or shape of the water changes according to the space available in the container. Here container means beaker. Okay, here in first figure the water takes shape of the container as straight. Okay, so but as in the case of second picture, the water takes the shape of container slant position. Okay, here in first picture the square shape, in second picture the triangle shape. So from this activity we learned about the shape of the liquid changes according to the space available in the container. So next, gas occupy the shape of the container. Next another activity, smoke filled with a jar placed upright. Okay, and smoke filled with jar kept slant. Here gas occupies the shape of the container. Okay, here gas occupies shape of the container. How the container it is, how the container looks like, that shape the gas gives. Okay, fill in the blanks with suitable words. There are three states of matter: solid, liquid, gas. So specific size, here solids does not changes its size, and also solids that does not changes its shape also. Example, iron, stone. So next, liquid. Liquid, here liquid changes, here liquid does not changes in size, but liquid changes its shape also. Okay, here liquid changes in size, does not changes in size. Okay, but changes in shape also. I think very clear. So liquids does not changes its size, so but here the shape of the liquid should be changes. In gaseous state, the size does not, the size changes. Okay, the size changes, but the shape of the container does not changes. Okay, I will once again repeat. There are three states of matter: solid, liquid, gas. So here specific size does not change and shape also does not changes in solids. Example, iron, stone. In liquid state the size does not changes, but here shape changes. Okay, example, water, milk. Here another example, gas changes in size. Okay, but the shape of the gas should be same, does not changes in shape. Okay, example, smoke. In next class we are going to discuss about the effect of heat on matter, so with the help of the experiment. Thank you one and all.